May you tell us what transpired in court today?
Yes, today in court, Sikhala took to the stand. Mr. Sikhala, to be respectful, took to the stand and tendered his evidence in defense. He was basically advising the Honorable Court of the inconsistencies in the testimony of the state, the malice from police station, where they completely put a different set of facts. When he came to court, a different set of facts appeared, and now we are at trial stage. He's being tried of a different set of facts altogether. So he was basically demonstrating malice, and he equally denied posting the video, which is subject of this charge. He also denied that he participated in an audio, which is a subject of this trial. So we are proceeding with his defense on Friday, the 1st of December, to basically demonstrate that the audio that is being part of the evidence that the state is relying on is inconsistent in terms of the recording and what actually is the contents of the audio.
Which case is this?
This is a case of incitement to commit public violence, popularly known as the July 31, 2020.
Can you just briefly tell us the sequence of the procedure that we should expect from now?
What should happen from now is Sikhala must proceed with his defense. After he has testified, the state is going to cross-examine and try to poke some holes into his evidence. Thereafter, the defense will close its case, and the court is going to call upon both the state and the defense to file what are called closing submissions. Closing submissions deal with the evidence that has been presented combined with the law, and then the magistrate will come up with her decision.
I know this,
either guilty or not guilty.
Yeah, this may be outside any legal proceedings. When you speak to him, what does he appear in terms of his spirit, courage, and so on, given the length time he has spent in jail without these cases finalized?
Sikhala has had ups and downs while he's in prison. Ups in the sense that each and every time that he appears in court, he's bubbling with confidence. He's clear in his mind that he has not committed an offense. But the downside of things is where at some point while he's in remand, he suffered a serious abdominal infection, leading to us calling upon doctors to go and attend to him. We are not yet done with that process such that we rule out issues like stomach infection, ulcers, or possibly poisoning. So he is undergoing chemotherapy. Sorry, not chemotherapy. He's undergoing colonoscopy, which procedure the doctors indicated that should start next week.